Hey guys, this is Andy with CDA Idaho, and I am in downtown Coeur d'Alene this morning. It is a beautiful morning. It's fun walking downtown and then just coming down to the water and seeing all the pretty snow all over the place. It is October 27th and it snowed this last weekend. Pretty hardcore for October. It's still on the ground. Anyways, my kids have been having a blast in our backyard, building forts and such, and anyways, it's just beautiful out. So I thought I would bring my drone out and just show you guys what the town looked like if you're not around to see it. So let's take a look. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that footage. Don't forget us. We're at the corner of 3rd and Sherman Avenue in downtown Coeur d'Alene. Come on in, come say hey, come see our new gear. We're bringing in a lot of new gear, a lot of new designs for this holiday season. And hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah, we're the store in the Plaza Shops along Sherman Avenue with all the windows and stickers and that. So come on in, say hey. And anyways, if you enjoyed this video, would you please hit the like button, comment below, tell us what you love about Coeur d'Alene this time of year, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, and pretty soon we are going to start capturing footage of eagles. That's right, this is the time of year when all the eagles from all over the world come to Coeur d'Alene and feast on all the spawning salmon. So stay tuned for that. That's one of my favorite things to do is video those guys, and that should be fun. Thanks again for watching.